Alright, y'all, I'm about to make some curry beef. I'm using these beef ribs. Got my Holy Trinity chopped up. Seasons on deck. You hear me? You know I'm about to use minced garlic. Oh, I added my red meat. You hear me? Now I got my onions, my carrots, diced. I already burned the curry. I just added my onions, carrots, green bell pepper, and celery, the Holy Trinity. I don't have any green onions, y'all, so I'm about to just work with what I got, like I always do. It's about to come out good, y'all. I'm about to season that up, add my water, then add my potatoes. Check in with me. So I added my milk. Now I'm adding my tomato sauce. I'm about to stir it all together. Matter of fact, I need some water. So I added some milk, whole milk, some tomato sauce, and I added my potatoes to it. So I'm gonna say I'll give this an hour and it will be done. You could cook it for longer. I'm gonna show you how it thickens up in about an hour. It's gonna smother down with all the potatoes and onions, garlic, seasoned well too. You can see all the seasoning all in that. Stop playing with me. Ribs curry, beef rib curry. Beef curry, y'all. It ain't done. It's still gonna take another 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Smash me a plate of this. Oh yeah, my curry's starting to thicken up now. I'll say another 30 minutes. And I'm ready to eat. Just let that cook down, low and slow. Beef curry, beef rib curry. Let's see how it goes, y'all. The gravy is really sweet, and the cheese really good and creamy because the milk and the tomato sauce got it sweet. The potatoes are nice and soft, and the beef is just so tender. Beef rib meat is definitely among the best tender to use for like a stew or a gravy. I like to use that or a ribeye. I give this a 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10.